I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me, all the days when we were young, singing off the top of both our lungs. Now we're under the covers. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Yeah, dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me, all the days when we were young, singing off the top of both our lungs, on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. Oh, now, oops, I got it.
And say it out loud. Say it out loud. When looking for adventure, don't have to tell me twice. We won't surrender. I can see it in your eyes. When looking for redemption, but to my surprise, heard it from the congregation, long way from paradise.
How do you really measure the years? By the hourglass of the traveled fields, and I'll steal the hand that fixes time. 'Cause I've got a love that won't run dry. Hold me close, never let go. Beating hearts and they echo, echo. This love is endless. This love is endless. This love is endless. This love is, my love is.
be forever mine.
When you look into my eyes, you know you're gonna see that fire. If you're standing in my way, it ain't gonna be your day. Oh, bleeding till I own this dream, build it like you never seen. Even at the mountaintop, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't wait another minute.
Good friend to me. Kahit hindi na tayo magkaklase, andiyan ka pa rin palagi para sa akin. Lagi kang makikinig kina Tita Leonie at saka sa papa mo. Kasi yung mga sinasabi nila, makakatulong in sa'yo, sobra. Malaki tiwala ako sa iyo, boy. Alam kong kayang-kaya mo abutin yung pangarap mo, and andito lang ako palagi para sa iyo. If you need a friend, if you need a friend, kapag may problema ka, kapag may kalokohan kang gagawin, nandito lang din ako. I'm only one call away.
Day, magpataba ka. Payat-payat mo eh. Mag-aral ka mabuti. Happy birthday, Ate Giselle. Stay lang sa pagiging strong sa buhay. Tapos, God bless. Tapos ingat palagi. Stay strong sa inyo ni Kuya Andy. Tsaka yung prize ko pala, tsaka Coke Float. Okay. Ingat. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Giselle. Good health. Good luck sa journey mo.
Yan, happy birthday, Ading. Magstay ka lang na maging mabuting anak sa sa mama at papa mo. Huwag mo pasasakitin yung ulo nila. Alam ko naman na achiever kang bata. Yan. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Pagbutihin mo nang sa ganoon, pagdating ng araw, mabalik mo naman yung mga sacrifice na binigay sa'yo ng mga magulang mo. Happy birthday and God bless.
Hello. Happy birthday. So ayun, nasa legal age ka na. So be matured sa maging decision mo in life. Good health and God bless.
Yeah. Happy 18th birthday, Giselle. So, syempre, wish ko yung lahat ng best para sa'yo. Tapos, na sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo. Basta, believe in God and believe in your abilities lang. Happy birthday.
Hello, ate. Happy 18th birthday. Thank you kasi naging mabuti kang pinsan sa akin. Ayun, 18 ka na. Malapit mo na maatupad yung mga pangarap mo. Thank you kasi ikaw yung pinaka-close ko.
Hi, Ben. Long. Hello. Ano pa ba may wish ko? Na-wish na nila lahat sa'yo. So, ang wish ko, sana lahat ng wish namin sa'yo ay matupad. Tapos, 18 ka na, legal age ka na, adult ka na, you must know your limitation na. Tsaka huwag ka ng pasaway. You know, na lagi lang kami nandito para sa'yo. Alam mo yan, dati pa. Love you. Happy birthday.
Let's give her a big hand naman.
Hello, Giselle. Ay, malakas pa. Happy 18th birthday. Stay who you are. If you need someone to talk to, nandito lang ako. Nandito yung TGIS. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo, matupad mo. Tsaka lagi kang mag-iingat. Happy birthday, God.
Happy birthday, Giselle. Bye. Hindi, joke lang. Happy birthday, Giselle. Thank you sa mga experience tuwing laban natin. Kahit minsan naglalaban tayo pagtapos ng laban, friends pa rin.
May check. Tapos yun. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Pangarap mong, basta yun na yun. Basta good luck sa life mo, good luck sa college life.
Po, happy birthday po Ate Giselle. Sana po, good health din po. Sana po ma-achieve na po yung goals niya. Yun lang po, happy birthday.
Thank you po. Salamat po, Miss Nadine Bagoyoro. Palakpakan naman natin.
Giselle, sana i-grant lahat ni Lord yung wish mo tsaka yung dreams mo. Yung i-grab mo yung opportunities lahat na darating sa'yo. Tsaka, alam mo naman, pag sinabing 18, freedom. Alam mo naman yung freedom comes with responsibility. So, ayun. Know your limitations, tsaka sundin mo lagi sila tita.
Happy birthday, 18th birthday, Giselle. Mag-aral ka mabuti. Yan lang ang pangarap ng papa mo para makatapos ka. Huwag kang magbago. Mabait ka sa mama mo at saka papa. Mahalin mo ang mama mo at saka papa mo. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit.
Day. Oh! Bilang auntie mo, Giselle. Bilang auntie mo, Giselle, mag-aral kang mabuti. Maging mabuti kang magulang. Sana, may kundi magbabago, pwede. Mahal ka namin. Ingatan mo yung kalusugan mo. Mahal ka namin, no matter what. Happy birthday.
Giselle. Iyak na ako. Ang wish ko sa'yo, anak. Sana maabot mo yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Kung ano man yung mapangarap mo, kami ang unang magiging masaya para sa'yo. Sana ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo, anak. Makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Yun lang ang tangi namin may papamana. Kaya, hanggat maaari, tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Yun lang. I love you.
Tonight, I just wanna take you higher. Throw your hands up in the sky. Let's set this party on fire. Players, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out! Pop, pop, it's showtime. 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 Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Oh, they don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Showed up. I'm wearing Cuban links. Yeah. Designer mix. Yeah. Inglewood's finest shoes. Whoop, whoop. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to give the color red the blues. Woo, shit. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out! Second verse for the hustlers, gangsters, bad bitches and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach, I cannot preach. I gotta show them how I can't get it in. First, take your sip, do your dip, spend your money like money ain't shit. Ooh, ooh, we too fresh. Got to blame it on Jay-Z. this? Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Hey girls, what y'all trying to do? What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Now, watch me break it down like, 24 karat. What's that sound?
Happy birthday, ate.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman na.
Thank you.
Tapos sa pala yan. Sige, picture. Giftless kites. Yan, perfect.
Happy 18th birthday, ate. We love you. Basta, since nag-start kayo ni Babes ng Taekwondo, baby pa kayo hanggang ngayon, basta hanggang sa pagputi ng buhok natin at nandito lang ako. I love you, ate.
Happy birthday, Giselle. I wish you all the best. Good health always and more birthdays to come. I love you. Ano ba tawag dito? Parang book, para yung mga dreams, yung mga vision mo, mga achievement mo. Lagay mo dyan. Para sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Giselle. Ang wish ko sa'yo, mag-aral ng mabuti, parang makapagtapos, at parang matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Happy birthday ulit.
Wish ko sa'yo, Giselle, tapos yung pag-aaral mo at magpakabait ka. Kung anong pinapain ng magulang mo, sundin mo para sa'yo yun. Yun lang. At mag-iingat ka palagi. God bless. At thank you sa invite sa birthday mo. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Giselle. Wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come po.
Happy birthday, Ate Giselle. Yun lang.
Thank you so super short.
Pinagayang ko talaga. Happy birthday, Giselle. I hope you like this gift and continue to be a good and loving daughter to Ate Leonie. Happy birthday.
Ayun, yung gift ko sa'yo, alam ko magagamit mo yan kasi sabi nga kanina, kikay ka. Ang ano ko lang, birthday wish ko lang sa'yo, I want you to enjoy your youth, but always put limit to it and value your family because at the end of the day, we will always go back to our family. And may all your dreams come true.
Happy 18th birthday, Giselle. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana maging wise ka sa mga magiging desisyon mo sa buhay.
Hindi, happy birthday, Giselle. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Tsaka, sana tumaba tayo ng konti. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, 18th birthday, Giselle. Ang wish ko lang sa inyo, mag-aral ka ng maigi para makita ka ng mga magulang mo nga nakatapos ka. Salamat.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Picture. Apa, ma'am, picture po. Yes. And may I request all our
You're 18 now. Be matured enough to make decisions. Know your worth. No, love yourself more and continue to strive your dreams. Kailangan natin yan. Dapat lagi tayong may pangarap. Okay? Andito lang kaming lahat ng mga guest dito, lahat yan, nakasuporta sa'yo, kaya mo nga in-invite, diba? Especially, I'm always here for you, alam mo yan, si Ate Kat, laging matatagpuan mo, and yung mga nandito, lahat sila nandyan lang para sa'yo, alam mo yan. And TGIS, tayo talaga. And your Taekwondo team, Eyak Ika team, Das Marinas team, Power Kicks family, andito lang kami lahat sa'yo, and Lagi kami mag-look up to you pag natupad mo na yung mga dreams mo. Lagi kaming susuporta sa'yo. And ayun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin lahat. And enjoy the rest of the night. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the happiness in life. Cheers!
Okay, let's all cheers, guys! Cheers! Go, sir! Once again, okay, so let's start with ma'am.
Mabait. Mula pa kasi yan ng bata pa. Ako na nag-alaga dyan, kaya mabait yan.
Thank you so much. Next, sir. What's the best word to describe Giselle? Best word to describe her. One word only.
Siguro strong na lang.
Strong. Thank you so much. Next.
Honest.
Honest.
Masayahin.
Masayahin.
Maganda. Sexy.
Sexy. Okay, Pop. Thank you. Sir?
For the short period of time na nakilala ko sila na as family, masasabi ko na siya ay strong since kahit wala ang kanyang tatay, nilalabanan pa rin nila yung time na namimiss niya ang kanyang tatay. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Hi. Siyempre maganda.
Maganda.
Si Giselle ay kikay. Katulad na sabi din nila, kikay at maganda.
Hikay. How about you, sir? Nasa likod po.
Payat.
Payat.
Ayaw tumaba.
Sir?
Kumain ng marami para tumaba. Magaling mga rati yan si Giselle.
Magaling mangarate. Next, sir.
Hindi yan paloloko.
Hindi pa loloko.
Powerful.
Powerful.
Malupit.
Malupit.
Sa taekwondo.
Sa taekwondo po. Ma'am, last but not the least.
Pretty inside and out.
Pretty inside and out. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating 18 Bluebird. Palakpakan naman natin everyone. Palakpakan tayo everyone. Thank you so much.
Siyempre, thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta, sa mga nag-effort na pumunta dito kahit malayo, sa mga galing po sa work, thank you po. Tapos, siyempre, hindi naman tumabubo kung wala yung mama ko, tsaka yung papa ko, siyempre. Tsaka yung mga kaibigan ko, tsaka yung mga kapamilya ko, lalo po yung mga taga Nueva Ecija. Salamat po sa pagpunta, nag-effort po kayo dito, pumunta. Yun lang po. Salamat.
Palakpakan naman natin, Giselle. Thank you so much. And now, let's call on the TGIS. Come on, dito tayo sa unahan, guys and girls.
Hey guys, it's your boy Lovato Avocado, back here with another banger. If you like to dance, get on your feet right now. We finna get lit. Hey, 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 hey. Lean with it, stab with it, hit the phone down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit the molly bob with it. Lean with it, stab with it, hit the phone down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, stab with it, hit the phone down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, stab with it, hit the phone down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Step to the right, now step to the left. Slide to the right, now slide to the left. Go grab your friend, make sure you got breath. Alright, y'all. since y'all just learned how to do the avocado step, I got a friend. Let's do it again. Hey, let go. With it, stab with it, hit the phone down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit the molly bob with it. Lean with it, stab with it, hit the phone down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit the molly bob with it. Lean with it, stab with it, hit the phone down, stab with it. Then you stop, then you hit the molly bob with it. Lean with it.
Once again, my name is Jay-Z. Thank you so much for having me as your host. The party is not yet over. It's party time. Happy birthday,
watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip. Kill it. Watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay.